This time we'll be installing and setting up WordPress plugins. I'm also going to be showing the way to set WordPress itself up in order to bring many people in from all over the world if you're looking to do that. Here's a quick look at the plugins list. Some of these plugins don't take much to set up at all, while others happen to take us a few minutes. The plugins in this list are the Akismet plugin, the All-in-One SEO Pack, Broken Link Checker, Bulletproof Security, CBNet Ping Optimizer, Comment Love, Contact Form 7, the Feedsit widget, Google Analyticator, Google XML Sitemaps, Permalinks Moved Permanently, SEO Pressure Unlimited, SciCaptcha Anti-Spam, Simple 301 Redirects, Sociable, TinyMCE Advanced, and Wishlist Member. First, there's a couple of things that you need to know. This WordPress class will be updated as things change, meaning that this plugins list will eventually change also. Plugins happen to be software which take up space on your server, so we definitely don't want to use any of the ones that aren't needed. Let's not make your web space too crowded. I'm going to be explaining what each plugin does while I'm setting them up, and you should know that most of these are actually free to use. So to get started with this, log into your WordPress dashboard, domainname.com/wp-admin. So from your dashboard, simply click on Plugins, Install Plugins, and the first thing to do is delete Hello Dolly. We don't need it. Yes, delete these files. Now what you want to do right here is sign up for an Akismet API key. Click here. Email address. And you're going to have a WordPress.com account. If you don't, you're going to have to sign up for one. So enter email address, username, and password. Now this is going to be the email address you picked out earlier from your domain. You can choose whichever username you want, but it should stay in line with your website. And you can either choose a new password here or else use the same one as you use for your website. A new password is a good idea, and it's also a good idea to start a document, keep track of all your usernames and your passwords. And click on Sign Up. And what you want to do here is click right here. See right here, he's charging you $36 a year. Left click, hold, drag it to the left. Might make him sad, but it's cheap. Enter in your first name and your last name. And click on Continue. Awesome, you're now the owner of a shiny new API key. So simply highlight this and copy it. Back to your plugins. Click on Activate. Click on Activate again. Enter your key right here. Click Use this key. Click here. Leave this set exactly the way it is. Click Save Changes. Now you go back to Plugins, Install Plugins. The Akismet plugin, by the way, stops comment spam from being placed on your website by internet bots. The next plugin on the list is the All-in-One SEO Pack, and it's the first of our SEO plugins, and when it's set up and used properly, it can help people find your website that would never see it if you didn't use it. This is a plugin that requires a little bit of time to set up, so let's get started. So to add the All-in-One SEO Pack, We click on Add New. And what we want to do is right here, search plugins, type in all-in-one SEO pack. And when you get here, be careful because there are different plugins that are almost exactly the same as the ones that we need to use here. So make sure that you use the ones that I show you. And right here is the one that we want. Click on Install Now. Click on Activate. Dismiss. And it's time to set this one up. So up here, General Settings. Okay, right here you want to scroll down a bit. And we're focusing on our homepage settings. Now the title of our homepage is going to be our website title. The title of this website, of course, is eBusiness Masterclass. Now as for our home description, we're allowed to have up to 160 characters of text here. A good site to use that can help with this is wordcounter.net. I'm going to open this up shortly so you get the gist of it. Now you'll notice right here that our next setting is home keywords, comma separated. If you happen to know how to do keyword research, then doing it when setting up a website for the first time is a good idea. If you don't, just follow along with what I'm about to do and apply it to your website using a little bit of common sense. Now wordcounter.net, that's this website, and you can type anything you want in here. And you can see here it lets you know how many characters you've used. So I've already done a little bit of keyword research for this website. And this is what I've come up with for the eBusiness Masterclass website keywords. You only want to use 6 to 8 keywords max for what we're doing here. And make sure that you have your name and your business name in these keywords. You need to let the search engines know exactly what your business is about and that you are your business. The list of keywords for eBusinessMasterclass.com are, of course, my business name, eBusiness Masterclass. At the end, I have my name. I also found definition of e-marketing, how to build a high-traffic website, e-business marketing, e-marketing blog, how to start an e-business, and how to start an e-business website. So now we need to come up with a sentence or two that describes exactly what our website is about. Make sure you use your best 2 keyword phrases as close to the beginning of these sentences as you can. Treat it like an offer that makes people want to visit your blog. This is going to be used as your blog's meta description by the search engines. So at this point, sit and think of what it is that you'd like people to type into Google search in order to find your website. This is what I've come up with. Learn how to build a high-traffic website with eBusiness Masterclass. Learning how to start an e-business marketing blog has never been so easy. So now we find out how many words are here. So we highlight this, copy it, take it back to wordcounter.net, and paste right here. 25 words, 144 characters. That's perfect. So now back on the website. For the home description, paste it. Now home keywords, comma separated. This is the format to use, and you can either include a space in here or not. It's totally up to you. And make sure you get your personal name right up there at the first. So again, let's highlight these and copy them. Take it back to the website. Home keywords, comma separated. And that is now done. So what you need to do now is scroll down all the way to the bottom and click on Update Options. Okay, what we're going to do next is verify our websites. We're going to verify this website with Google Webmaster Tools, Bing Webmaster Center, and Pinterest site verification. And there are not very many people that do this training, and what I'm about to show you makes all the difference in the world how much traffic is going to come to your website by people that find you in the search engines. So as for Google Webmaster Tools, in order to verify our website with Google, which again is extremely important, we need to have a Google Webmaster Tools account. This is free to sign up for, and you can get your account by going to google.com/webmasters/tools. Once you have your Google Webmasters account, simply go to the same website address again, and this is what you're going to see. What you're going to be doing from here is add a website. You enter in the website address of your new website, and you click continue, and you go through these steps one by one. For step by step in how to verify Google Webmaster Tools, Bing Webmaster Center, and Pinterest site verification, click right here and go click here for documentation on this setting. Here you have step-by-step videos, and it shows you exactly what to do. One thing that you need to know is it's going to give you a nice long link like this. Don't copy the whole link. This is the link that it gave me here. All you need to do is copy between the quotation marks. Anything more than that and it's not going to work. Back on my site, you can see right here, this is the number and the letters that they gave me. After you do that, scroll down to the bottom and click Update Options again. So what I'm going to do right now is verify with Bing and with Pinterest. And again, you can sign up for these accounts both for free. And keep in mind that these 3 steps are very, very important. Okay, everything has now been verified on my website. When successful, on Google Webmaster Tools, you should be able to see your website. If there are any problems, Google will let you know. On Bing, same thing, you should be able to see your website. On Pinterest, you should be able to see site verified. And when you go to your Pinterest account, what you're going to see is something like this, and right here is an actual live link going right back to your website. And these links are very important. As you can see, Pinterest has a page rank of 9 and an Alexa rank of 37. So I'm going to move on to the next plugin now, just in case anyone has issues using this documentation here. I'm going to leave a 90-second video from a website that I verified last year. If you would rather watch it happen than read about it, you can follow along with the rest of this video. If not, move on to the next video and we'll set up the next plugin. And I promise the next plugin is going to be very easy to set up. And if you do have a Google Webmaster Tools account, you can verify your website right here. Google Webmaster Tools is something that everyone should have if they're serious about getting free traffic to our website. It's free to sign up for one of these accounts, and I'm going to show you how to verify this website with the search engine Google. And to do that, let's go log into Google Webmaster Tools. Okay, I'm actually logged into my account, and what you do is add your site right here. Simply click Add a Site. Now what you're going to want to do is go to Alternate Methods, click on HTML tag, and you're only going to want to add this part. Copy this part right here, not the whole thing. After you copy that, head back to the All-in-One SEO pack and paste it right there. Let's go down here and save our changes. Don't worry about the rest of this stuff. Let's update our options. Now let's go back to Webmaster Tools. Scroll down and click Verify. And it is that simple.